welcome to my channel, and I have an exciting announcement to make, and this is something that I've really thought long and hard about. I feel like now is the time that I am going to introduce memberships. Now, I want to make really clear this does not at all mean that I am not going to be posting Gaelic videos or Gaelic words of the day as I have been, because they are still very much on the cards, as you would expect. This is just going to add a little bit extra. So we're going to have some behind the scenes content. We are going to have, you're going to have the ability to request a word of the day. And what am I even doing? Okay, there's also going to be early access to Gaelic videos and Scottish videos. There's absolutely no obligation to sign up and join the membership, but it is there if you want it. So I wanted to put that out there, but as I said, nothing is going to change. You are going to have full access to all of the Gaelic videos. It's just going to give you a little bit more access. I'm so excited about launching memberships, and I hope that you will join me. I'm so